So viewers, welcome to Sports Today. What we have learned on the Shubman Gill's injury, that he is right now admitted to the private hospital of Kolkata. And we have seen that today morning, that is on the second day of the first test against South Africa, Gill got injured during his batting. We have seen that in the first innings of Indian cricket team, when Gill reaches the 22 yards, he scored only 4 runs, and after that he tried to sweep the ball off the Harmer, and where he suffered a neck injury, and what was called that he is having a spasm, he is having a sprain in the neck, and due to that he has not batted as well, he has not played today's match as well, and he was rested in the dressing room. When he was going out from the ground itself, he was seen very uneasy. And after that, right now, the update is coming in that he was being treated primarily inside the hospital, and where we have seen that Shubman Gill was first of all given basic treatment, and he was given few ice bags also, and also being treated with a neck guard, that is a neck collar. And when he felt uneasy, his ache was also increased after the match finishes, and after the match finishes at 4:30 today, the day finishes at 4:30 today. After that, at around 6 p.m. he was being brought out of the dressing room in the stretcher, and he was taken into ambulance, and after that he was taken to the hospital just behind me, the private hospital of Kolkata, where he undergone basic examinations and also the MRI and CT scan of the brain, of the cervical, and also the MRI and the scan of the upper portion of the body, that to analyze that whether it is very serious or not. And the team of doctors are treating him, whether he could walk properly or whether he could sit properly. That was being examined, and the examination will go on for near about 24 hours, and after that he will be, what is the news from the hospital sources is that after that, after the primary examination, he will be released from the hospital. But the injury is not so easy right now. What we have learned, that he may miss the series as well, the test series as well, the remaining of the test series. One match is left right now, which will be held in Guwahati, and for the rest of the remaining this test match, he is likely to be out, as India is going to play their third day in Eden Gardens tomorrow. And what we have learned, the team of doctors are treating him, team of doctors are examining him, and right now he will be under observation, he will be under examination for rest of the hours.